Hey, this is Hans.
This is Mimi.
And it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we got something from Japan.
What is it?
It's a Zenpop snack box. And these you can get on zenpop.jp. And we're going to crack it open, look inside, and try everything that's in here. So let's do it. Ooh. So when you open the box, you get a card, and the card has a little blurb about who makes these boxes, where they're from, which is Osaka, Japan, and yeah, pretty cool. And then there's this leaflet, and this has a link where you can get all the information you're going to need to understand what's in this box and what these things are, because honestly, I couldn't tell you unless I had this. So I'm going to go to the link and we're going to start trying everything out. All right, so first thing we have in here is what I reviewed for my, I believe, 2000th review. This is the Nissan Chicken Ramen Donburi. And this is the chicken ramen that was one of the first things that I ever had that was ramen related. And yeah, this is a really good bowl. I'm stoked. It looks a little different than the last time I had it, so it's going to get another review. And now we've got this. This is called Lemon Squash, and it's from Fujiya. You want to try it? Do you like lemons?
I don't know.
I guess we'll find out. Give it a slug there, kid.
I mean, kind of.
It's kind of sweet and sour, huh?
Yeah.
Well, how many stars would you give that? 0 through 5?
2.
2? I'd give that. I agree with you. It's not bad. It's a little tart. So this is KitKat Mint Matcha, and matcha is green tea, and mint. Well, you know what mint is. So
Wait, what's mint?
Mint is actually, there's a leaf called mint. But I don't know how much mint leaf is going to be involved in this. Cheers. What do you think?
Kind of good.
Halfway?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm really not getting much of a mint. Let me look at that again. Mini matcha latte. I read it wrong. Sorry about that. So it's kind of got a coffee-ish. It's sweet. It's very sweet. You don't like it? No?
Kind of like it.
You kind of like it, so give us a number.
2.
Another 2? I'll give it a 4. That one's pretty good, and I really am not a huge fan of the KitKats, but that one's pretty good. All right, now from Masuya, we have Onigori Senbei Jin Shari. And this looks to be a chip of some sort.
It's Shara instead of Shari.
I don't know, but we'll give it a try, whatever it is.
Oh my.
Interesting. Cheers. These are made of rice. What do you think of that one? You like that? How many stars do you give that? 0 through 5? 5. I like this one. I'll give it a 4. What I like about it is I've had a lot of different rice cracker snacks in the past. Usually the ones that I end up having have like this glaze on them, and I hate that. This one doesn't. It's nice and salty, nice and crisp, not too hard. Yeah, it's good. And now we've got something from Bourbon. This is Choco This is Choco Anpan. So Anpan is a bread that I've seen at the Japanese grocery store. I think they're usually stuffed a lot of the time with red bean. Ooh, these little buns.
Oh my.
Cheers.
Cheers. This is like chocolate chip bread.
A very astute observation from my daughter, ladies and gentlemen. That's good. They're soft. They're bready. Not as soft as Anpan that I've had before, but pretty good. Nice amount of chocolate, nice sweetness to it. I'll give that a 5. I like that.
Me too.
You too. Cool. All right, now we have milk It looks like it says caramel, but I'm thinking it's milk caramel from Morinaga. So I'm guessing it's going to be kind of not a real soft kind of thing. One for you, one for me.
I have a big piece. Then you.
I will take the big piece if you like.
I think I want the little piece.
All right. Cheers. You don't like it?
I give it a 0.
Okay, you can go throw it away. 5 from me. When I was a kid, we would go to this what was it called? Jackpot. It was a gas station where I grew up. And I'd go with my dad, and the guy would come out, this old timer. He'd always give me a caramel. And it tastes exactly like that. So, yeah, 5. And now we have Tongarigashi from Sakaseka. Okay, what do we have here? This looks interesting. It looks like an ice cream cone. Look at that.
Maybe we should take turns eating it.
Very sugary.
Yeah,
what would you give that?
a 5.
It's like an ice cream cone with like a really soft, sugary, and also crystally sugary thing going in there.
6.
No.
Oh.
And next we have Yellow Raka Kajitsu Jelly from Nobel. So these are like little jelly things. So you want this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, I'll open it for you. Cheers.
I give it a 0.
0? You don't like that?
No.
Interesting. What didn't you like about it?
It was so sour.
Can I try it? It's covered in sugar, though. 0, huh?
Yeah.
I'm giving those a 5. Those remind me of candies that my mom used to get that I really liked. All right, now from Sakuma, we have Sunkaku Milk. Ready to try some Sunkaku Milk?
Yeah.
It's not powder, okay. Ah, they're little
I'll have this one.
little wee treats.
Oh, I think I can open it.
Yeah, you just take one side and the other side, look. You pull them. And then it comes out.
Hey, it's a triangle.
It's a little triangle. It sure is. Look at that.
A little baby triangle.
Where's it go?
Where's it go?
Those are neat. You're right. It is like a lollipop, and it's crunchy, but the center it's filled with like a powdery stuff, so it doesn't break your teeth. You like that? Let's go. 5. I'll give it a 5 too. The texture action on that is superb. Next up from Saritsu Seika, we have Kani Beast. It's got a crab on it. Let's give it a try.
And I think there's also a fish on it, I think. Look at this one. I'll eat this one. The cat one.
Cheers.
Ding.
5 stars or that? I'm gonna give that 1 star.
Why?
It doesn't have a lot of flavor to it, and it's just like a crunchy cracker that turns into dough in your mouth, and I don't care for that, so, yeah. From House Shokuhin, we have Tongari Corn Yaki Tomoro Koshi. And I really like corn snacks, so hopefully this is going to float my boat. I hope you enjoy it as well, Mimi.
I hope it floats my boat.
We want our boats to float. Oh, they're like bugles.
I'll have this.
Okay.
Have this one.
It's like got a sweet corn flavor to it.
It's floating my boat.
How would you score that one? Really? 5?
Yeah.
I'll give that a 3. It's not bad. And another one from our good friends at Bourbon. This is the Baum roll. You ready to try a Baum roll?
Yeah. Bone? What?
B-A-U-M. Baum roll. It's for those who require some Baum. Oh. It's soft. And it's filled. You will. I will cut it in half. Cheers. Whoa.
give it a 5.
That is good. I'll give it a 5 too. I like cake. Next up, we've got Cuddlepi Marshmallow from Iowa. Iowa. You want one? Then I will give you one. Boing, 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 boing.
I'll eat it.
They're really squishy little marshmallows.
Squish, 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 squish.
Cheers. Mmm.
I don't like it. I'll give it a 3.
You gotta eat the whole thing. And then you'll get the middle. I like it.
I don't like it.
No? You're like running to throw it in the trash. Alright, so I'm guessing that's a 0 from you? Okay. Next up from Kawashimaya, we have Shoyu Nakamaru. Shoyu is soy sauce. Nakamaru, I couldn't tell you. Because I don't know what it means. Cheers.
Oh my, this tastes so good. I'll give it a 5.
Really? I'll give it a 3. This reminds me of the rice crackers we had earlier. I like those better. This one has an interesting kind of tinge of flavor to it. Do you like these better than the other ones, or do you like the other ones better?
I like this one. These ones better.
Okay. All right, here we go. From Yaokin, we have an umaibo teriyaki burger flavor thing. So this is like a long Cheeto with a weird flavor.
Oh my.
These things are so delicate. It's kind of beat up, but
Beat it up.
yeah. So why don't you grab a piece?
Man. I'll grab this one.
Cheers. You like that, huh? Yeah, I like that. I'll give that a 5. Oh, careful.
There's a little bit more left.
I know, but it's very messy. Next up, from Marukawa Seika, we have Grape Marble Gum.
Grape Marble Gum?
Grape Marble Gum. There you go. All right, ready, set, go. Mmm.
No, I don't like it. I'll get a 0. Already. I really didn't like it.
I like it, but I don't like gum.
What?
I don't, because you can't eat it. It just like messes with me. Like, now I've swallowed the gum. I've eaten the gum.
Oh.
It's okay. I'll live. I'll give that one a 3. It tastes really good. All right, the next one we have here is just called Fruits Candy from Kiko Seika, and there's only one of them. I don't... Is it...
We should do Mighty Well.
It could. Do you want to try it? See if you can take a bite off of it.
I cannot find it.
No?
I cannot eat it.
You don't like it?
I cannot eat it.
Okay.
I do like it.
You like it, but it's too big?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, she likes it, but she can't eat it. All right, next we've got from Chirin Seika, Wit Number Choco. Weren't you saying earlier you thought it looked like medicine? Kind of does.
Kind of.
Yeah, look, it's got little perforations here so you can like just pop them out. And, like, which one did you want? That one?
Pink.
The pink one. Cheers.
It tastes like chocolate.
Kind of like an M&M, but smaller and with more candy on the shell. What do you think of that one? 5. I'll give that 2. That's not bad.
Let's see all of them.
Yeah, maybe we will. And finally, the last thing in the box is from Marukawa Seika, and this is Oringo Gum.
Oringo?
Oringo. It's got a little spot there, so we're just going to go one for you, one for me. Give it a try. Melon flavor. I like it. For gum, I like it. I'll give that a 4. What do you think? Was that fun? Well, we've got a lot more of these to do over the next few months, so check in with us and watch what we try from Japan. And yeah, if you want to get one of these boxes, head on over to zenpop.jp. Try using the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. You never know. Anyways, this has been Hans, and this has been
Mimi.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles, your snacks, and your candy.
Each and every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.